AI revolution is taken the world by storm, changing the content creation game forever. Not only content creation online, business in general, for example, certain tasks that took humans to perform, like several hours, now can be done by AI within a few clicks before we begin. Make sure to watch this video until the end, because I have an important announcement I want to make later on in this video. To be precise, we're going to be covering Clay AI, which is a game changer for business owners as well as just average users. So for example, I want to show you their use cases. So if you're running an e-commerce store, for example, and you took a blurry picture of your product within a few clicks, just like that, that's what you're going to have. Or let's say you want to sell recipe book and it needs to be corrected as well. Well, there you go. Or let's say you just took a picture with your friend that didn't turn out very well. Don't worry, AI is going to take care of it as well, and the list goes on. So here's a real estate example. I mean, it really looks different, doesn't it? And here's a car picture as well. So this just an average picture taken in a car parking lot. This looks like something out of a professional website, right? Where you could buy a car. So yeah, let's get started. And I'll show you guys how to use it. So once you land on a home page, obviously create an account. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to have 5 credits available to you for free, so you can just try it out without the need to attach your credit card. So here's what it can do actually. So it can do an AI photo shoot, generative resize, and obviously image editing. So let's actually start with image resize. So here, click on the dashboard, and the studio is going to open up now. I will start with the resize option. I really liked it. So here, just click in the middle of the screen to upload your picture now at the top. Choose the ratio that you need. So for example, you could have it for Shopify. That's the precise format that you would need. Or obviously, as of now, this picture is quite wide, right? Let's say we want to have it as an Instagram photo. So we can, right here, we can click on that. And within seconds, it's going to give us a resized option. And just like that, we have our picture resized, honestly. At first glance, I wouldn't even be able to tell its AI looks pretty sick. So it also offers background removal. So here on the left side, just click on that, and then you can click on General and simply click on Apply. And within seconds, it's going to remove background. So just like that, the background was removed. I'm actually going to download this picture so we can do something else with it. So since we just removed backgrounds now on the left side, if you click right here on this icon, we're going to be able to generate from template, which means we're going to create scenes for our products, or in this case, I'm using my AI character, which is kind of my product, right? So let's say it's going to be sitting in the kitchen somewhere. Let's just place it right here as if it's sitting behind this table, right? Just like that. And now let's hit generate, see what it comes up with. Just like that, our character was placed in that particular kitchen. Obviously, it did some magic, so it really does look as if he sits behind this table. So very well done. And it can be done in a matter of a few clicks. You don't need to know Photoshop to perform such actions. So if you click on this icon, actually 0245, right here, you can create your own background from just a text prompt. So let's type in like a YouTuber studio and let's see what it comes up with. That's not necessarily what I wanted. Let's try like maybe blue colors. The object is sitting behind the table. Okay, so that looks much better, right? So it really does look like we have this character sitting in a room. But actually, for the most part, I was just showing you how this could be used. For example, in context of my channel. But like, let's 0313 actually delete this completely. And let's delete everything, start a new project, right? So let's actually try it more. Let's say you who's watching this, you're running some kind of e-commerce shop, right? Or you want to try it, right? And one of the problem that e-commerce shop owners face is they obviously need to hire a professional photographer for their product, right? Because it all has to look very clean and nice. So let's actually select one of the pictures from their assets. So obviously it's already without the background. If your own product has background, you would go right here, I believe, yes, and just click on remove, like I just showed you moments ago now. Let's say we want to have something, we want our product just look very simple, minimalistic, and let's just say we want to have like a minor shadow underneath the shoes and like some kind of a gray background behind it. Now, this obviously depends a lot on the product you're selling. So, for example, let's say you're selling a cooking related item, some kind of a thing for cooking. You could use a kitchen background right here in the left corner or whatever. You know, you really have to use your imagination, but all right. But in the meantime, our image is ready and it actually looks quite impressive because honestly, I know how to use Photoshop, guys. So this would take me a lot of time or, anyone for that matter. This would take a lot of time to create such an image with such perfection, so many details. I mean, it looks quite epic. I'm not going to lie.